You guys remember this, my project logbook for logging projects that are completed every single day and then tallying it up for the month? Ha! Yeah, well, Shopvox has totally negated the reason for me to use that. And I'll show you why. Okay, so here's the main screen in Shopvox, and one of my favorite aspects of this is the business intelligence screen. And what this does is it kind of breaks down all the different financial aspects of the company. If you're not used to using sales orders, it's a really, really powerful thing for you to start using for your business. You can use sales orders inside of QuickBooks Online. I didn't know that. You have to actually turn that functionality on. But for those that don't know, a sales order is useful because it's a step between a quote and an invoice. And what this essentially is active projects. So if you want to have a good idea of like, how much do I have right now going on in active projects? That's what that number is. So for us right now, we have almost $30,000 worth of active projects going on. 88 projects, $30,000, about an average of $332 per one. So we're looking at a date range of this month right now. So this is kind of our tally. You'll see here that new invoices that have happened this month so far is 23,000, and quotes is 40,000 so far this month. Now I can look at this every single day, so I could pull up today's view. I would do that, but it's early in the morning, so everything's going to say 0. So let me just pull up like Tuesday here, for instance. I can show you like a very typical day. Okay, so Tuesday, we had $1,494 in invoices. And because we're using sales orders, what that means is we have $1,494 in completed projects. So that completed project logbook that I had is no longer necessary because that number is always right here. And I can even get a breakdown of like, okay, that day we did $1,159 in screen printing, $173 in copies, $132 in rigid signs. Let's just find another random day. Let's see, Wednesday. $2,000. We did $1,000 in banners, $509 in screen printing, $253 in vinyl graphics. So it's just a really, really neat tool. Also, I'm able to see like how many quotes did we do that day. I did $864 worth of quotes. But here's a really promising thing. I got $7,145 in new sales orders. So you really get a good financial sense of what's happening. I'm going to go back to this month. And so I could see so far. And one thing I kind of liked to do in the past was I really wanted to see, well, what's this number? So I've done $23,000 so far this month, right? Well, but I also have $29,000 in active projects. So I've always been interested in combining this number to kind of see where I'm at for the month. And if you click on daily activity here, this month to date, that's what this number is. So, so far this month, I have in active projects and completed projects that have been invoiced, $52,262. So this is like a really good indicator of like how I'm doing for me. So I really like knowing what this number is. But that's just a small look at a couple of key things. I can look at this anytime. So when I was on vacation, I was able to pull this screen up just to see how things were going while I was gone. And it's fantastic. I love having this tool so much. I'm telling you guys, Shopvox is absolutely amazing. I wish they sponsor my videos, but they don't. but like, it's really awesome. If you're struggling, if you're using QuickBooks, stop that mess right now and switch to Shopvox. I'm telling you, it's a lifesaver. It'll get rid of the need to use spreadsheets and spreadsheet calculators and like clunky things like that. Like, it does it all. Like, there's no reason not to use it. I'm telling you, sign up for Shopbox. It's awesome. Tail end of the day yesterday, and I'm the only one here, and we had a U.S. Senator stop by. U.S. Senator Ted Budd stopped by with a whole crew of people, mostly for a photo op, I guess. I walked him around the shop and showed him stuff. And anyways, that was unexpected. I have a little footage from our little security camera that's right there. So I'll show you a smidgen of that.